Hey guys, I am back with another video, and today I want to do a review of my grandparents' new microwave. This is a GE microwave. It was bought on probably like Tuesday, May 3rd, 2022, and I absolutely like it. Here's the inside. It's a nice looking microwave. This is a turntable. Cool. And it has a timer right there. So this one, let's go for the convenience cooking. This one is the popcorn. This one is beverage. This one's potato. So that would be for like hot potato or patata caliente. This one is the reheat. This one's the refrost, and this one is the cooking time, which I'll show you. This is the express cook. These numbers only goes to like 6. Like that, see? And then, but 7, 8, 9, and 0 does not have express cook on there. You'll just gotta press the time cook button, as you can see right there. And this is the timer. This is the turntable. You can turn off, on, or off. Like, as you can see, it doesn't turn. And this is the surface light, as you can see. That's on. It says high. Press it again. And that is low. That would be like a night light. And that is off right there. And this is the vent fan, as you can see. This one is very quiet. Let's take a listen. Oh my gosh, this is very quiet. Okay, that's off. This is the cancel button. This is the start button, and this is the add 30 seconds button. So there you go. We'll do a demonstration of this. I got my 3 chicken strips. I'll let you guys ask what type of chicken those in the comments, and I'll reply. So let's get this a demonstration of the 2 cooking cycles, guys. So let's put that in there. This one is a very quiet microwave, guys. I'm not joking. So here's how you do this. I like to do 2 cooking cycles. What I would have done is 1 minute for full power, and then another cooking cycle for 30 seconds with very low power. And I forgot to show this is the power level. Okay, here we go. Let's take a listen. This is very quiet, guys. Yeah, sometimes you'll hear something. It's just probably these arms waking it up. Alright, I'll be silent for the rest of the cooking process, guys. And this is the second cooking cycle. Take a listen. Oh my gosh, can you guys hear that? That is very powerful. Wow. And as you can see, this is the little end right there, that means your cooking timer has been completed, as you can see. Remember, please note that this microwave is, please note that every time you take stuff out of the microwave. And my chicken strips are done, guys. Let's take it out. It's gonna be hot, so we better be careful. So there you go, guys. This is my first ever kitchen appliance video. So anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be able to review this. This is a GE profile, and I'll be able to review the fridge. But whenever Grandma cooks something in the oven, I'll do a video review of this one, as well as the. Can you move out of the way, please? As well as the refrigerator, as you can see. So anyways, thanks for watching, take care, and bye-bye now.